Hi everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we have the Microsoft Surface Go 2. It's the smallest Surface tablet that Microsoft released, and this is the Surface Go, so that's the second generation. So this box is actually coming to us from Amazon warehouse. So this is another Amazon warehouse deal, and we'll open the box and show you what comes in it. But one thing here, I want to show you that this is the 8th generation. It's the Core M3, 128 gigabyte and storage and 8 gigabyte of RAM, and it's obviously the platinum color because this only comes in platinum color. So we'll open the box and see what comes in it. Typically, the Amazon warehouse deals, they do send out, the packaging is actually quite good, and it's the original packaging, but obviously they have to do some repackaging of the internals. So here obviously we have the first thing you see is the tablet itself. So we'll put the tablet on the side, and then we'll check what else comes in the box. So you have here some documentations if you'd like to read that, and obviously you have the power adapter. There's a very simple packaging here, but since this is an Amazon warehouse deal, so they do actually pre-package the components or the internals of this box. So we'll open this, and you will see that so that's the charger cable. So the brick for the Surface Go 2 is actually very small, and that's the proprietary charging cable that comes with the Surface Go. The Surface Go is actually quite small. It's the 10.2 inches screen, and it's the fanless design, which I like. And it's a Core M3, so it doesn't really generate, it's not really as powerful anyway, but it doesn't really require a fan. It's a silent design. So that's the device. It's actually pretty clean. It comes obviously with the famous kickstand, and here we have the headphone jack, the USB-C, and that's the place where you charge it. And you have here the place where you actually insert the SD card. I think it takes up to 1 terabyte card, and that's the 128 gigabyte by Microsoft, obviously. So it's a very nice small tablet, and on the other side there is nothing really, and on the top here you will find the power button, and you have the volume rocker on this side, and that's pretty much it. If you have the keyboard, these are the connectors for the keyboard, and they snap to the bottom, but I didn't get the keyboard. So that's a quick unboxing for this Surface Go 2. So as I said, what comes in the box is basically you have the power cable, and you have the instructions that comes with it, and obviously you have the tablet as well. And that's pretty much what comes in the box. So it's a very simple unboxing. It's actually this Surface tablet is actually quite well built in terms of design and the material that they actually used. So I like this one, that's why I purchased it. So we'll test it and see, we'll give you my opinion about it in another video. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.